In this video, I'm going to show you a proven strategy that you can use to turn $500 into over $10,000 before Christmas this year. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee anything, but this is a proven strategy which really does work. I'm going to show you proof that it works on my computer in just a moment, and you can actually get this up and running and make over $10,000 before Christmas this year. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be jumping on a trend which is going to be taking off in the next couple of weeks. We're going to capitalize on that and we're going to be able to make some money from it. And in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how we're going to do that. And don't worry, you're not going to be drop shipping. You do not need to have your own product. And you have not missed the boat. There is still time to get this going and make money from it. So let's dive into it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Liam James Kay, and this channel is all about entrepreneurship, marketing, and making money online. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on future content. Now I'm going to jump onto my computer now. I'm going to show you proof of earnings, proof that this strategy works, and then I'm going to walk you through how you can get going yourself and start making some money before Christmas this year. Now, I just want to say, if you happen to be watching this video after Christmas this year, do not worry. The strategy that I'm going to reveal in this video, you can do any time of the year. It is a solid, proven strategy, but we're going to be jumping on a little trend, which is going to make it much easier to make money around the Christmas time. But do not worry, you still can do this any time of year, and we're not going to be doing any drop shipping. You do not need your own products, and it is pretty easy to get started with this. So let's dive straight into it. So we're just on my laptop now. I just want to show you some earnings to show you that this strategy is working. So this is my tracking software which I use to track my earnings from the strategy which I'm going to share with you in this video. And as you can see, today's date, November the 9th, 2020, and we're going to refresh this here, and you can see that the profit so far today is $700. So I've spent $367 and made over $1,000 back, which is 191% ROI. So as you can tell, the strategy that I'm going to share with you, you do need money, you do need to invest some money in adverts, and I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this. And the really interesting thing is my return on investment from this strategy is starting to climb since I've jumped on this trend, which is about to take off in the next couple of weeks. So now I'm going to show you what I'm doing, what the trend is, and how you can jump in on it as well. So first of all, I just want to go to Google Trends. It's just to show you this trend and show you that you are onto something now by watching this video. And basically, this is going to be easy money if you follow the steps that I'm going to share with you in this video. So as you can see this little graph here, every year around about this time, the graph peaks, which means this is trending at this moment in time. And as you can see here, we're currently here, the 1st to the 7th of November. It's currently the 9th of November, so it's a little bit delayed. But as you can see, the trend is on an upwards trend, and we're going to jump on it right now and start making money from it. What is the trend? It is none other than Black Friday, which obviously you've all heard of. Everyone knows what Black Friday is. It's where loads of things go on sale. This year might be the biggest online Black Friday ever because obviously there's a massive pandemic going on. People want to save money and people are shopping online. So we can jump on that trend and make money from people shopping online and looking for discounts, then we can make a lot of money. And that is what I'm going to show you how you can do. Now, you do not need to have your own product. So don't worry and think, oh, Black Friday is only a couple of weeks away. I don't have time to create a website, or I haven't got time to go and source a product to go and sell, or I haven't already got my own product. I've missed the boat, because I'm going to show you how you can actually get up and running with a Black Friday offer that you don't own yourself, and you can make money from it starting today. So the way that we're going to be making money this Black Friday and holiday season is from affiliate marketing, which I've obviously spoken about a lot on this channel before, where we're basically promoting products on behalf of other people or other companies. We share a link to that product and we earn a commission every time we make a sale. Now, the good thing about that is that we can find a proven product which is already selling, which is sold last Black Friday, which they are dealing with, which a company is already running. They've got the product sourced, they've got the support team, they've got everything, and we can go along, find that proven product, share that proven product using the strategy which I'm going to share with you now, and we can make commissions every time someone buys that. So it is one of the most proven ways of making money, and it's pretty much fairly hands-off because we do not have to source the products or go and speak to anyone in China or anything like that. All we're basically doing is sharing a link to a proven product, but it does not stop there. It gets even better because the companies are already doing the work for us. I'm just going to go and show you this here now. So this is OfferVault, which basically has loads of affiliate offers on there that are on lots of different affiliate networks. So we can basically go and sign up to affiliate networks and join them, grab an affiliate link for them, and then share those products. But I just want to show you this here, because when you search Black Friday on OfferVault, you can see that now, just starting like literally today and yesterday, lots of these affiliate networks are starting to bring out specific Black Friday offers for their products. So there's drones here, which has got a Black Friday landing page available. There's an eye massaging mask. So there's a smartwatch, there's hearing aids, there's loads of different products. And basically the affiliate networks are creating Black Friday proven offers and giving discounts to their products, which you can then share. So you haven't got to create a sales funnel or anything like that. I'll show you this as an example here now. I just want to show you this here, which is a landing page specifically for Black Friday, which is giving a 50% off deal for a proven affiliate offer. So this is called Silent Snore, which is a well-known affiliate product which sells all year round, but it sells really well during Christmas and Black Friday because people buy it as gifts for other people. If you've got a partner that's snoring, a great gift. Stocking filler is something to stop them snoring. Great product. So this is an offer which is on Matrix Affiliate Network, M4 Tricks here, which you can join, but it's on different networks as well. It's also on Affiliax here, where they've got a different landing page, but they're also doing a Black Friday 50% discount for the same product. And basically, I can come to these affiliate networks like Matrix or Affiliax or all of the other ones which are listed on here, and I can grab an affiliate link for this product here, grab the affiliate link, share it, and basically they pay out around about $40 per sale. I know Matrix pays $40 for this one, and I know that Affiliax pays around about $38 per sale. And the person, if they buy one of them, they're spending probably about $40. So you're getting 100% commission for anyone that buys one. If they buy 2 or 3 or 4, you still only get $40 commission. So that's where the company's going to be making the money. But we can make a nice chunk of money basically by promoting a proven offer. So now that you've actually got a product that you think might work well during Black Friday, that's got its own Black Friday deal, and you've signed up to the affiliate network and you've got an affiliate link for that, now we just need to get people coming to that. And that's where the $500 comes in that I said you're going to need to invest $500. That's to spend on adverts. That's the only expense that you're going to have in this is the money to spend on adverts. So there's many different ways that you can run adverts, from Facebook ads, which is obviously a proven way of promoting e-commerce products. There's also obviously Google ads, because people are searching for like Black Friday deals, so you can run some kind of campaigns on there. Or you can run native adverts, which is the traffic source, which I've really started to focus on recently, and that's how I managed to make that 200% return on investment that I showed you earlier on in the video. And if you don't know, native adverts are these ones here, which I've spoken about before. Which basically are on like a lot of news websites, and they're at the end of the news articles, and they basically look like other news articles, but they're sponsored posts. And you can see here, this one is sponsoring, is selling some kind of vehicle tracking device, and this one is like selling a hearing aid device, and these will be affiliate offers. So if you click on that, it'll lead through to a landing page which looks like text-based advertorial landing page, then onto the affiliate offer. Now, if you really want to crush it during Black Friday, one great way of doing it with native adverts is using a listicle landing page. Now, I'll show you what this is now. So it's this here, which you can see, this is a Black Friday themed landing page, which is basically going through the incredible useful gadgets that everyone is talking about in 2020. And if you scroll down, it's got lots of products on here that are basically in a list of the top 10 products or top 20 products or whatever it said. And this is one product, this keyboard, wireless keyboard, headphones, a phone, and a drone. And as you can see, there's lots of products on here. And basically what you can do is you can create a campaign on native ads, and I'll show you kind of how to set that up in just a moment. You can create a campaign and send traffic to a listicle landing page talking about the top 10 Black Friday deals of 2020. And people that are reading newspapers online and they see top 10 Black Friday deals of 2020, they're like, it looks like an article, it's something you would see in an editorial like newspaper. They click on that, and then they see your list of products. So there's plenty of chances for you to actually make sales with these Black Friday deals. And then on this listicle, you obviously link through to your affiliate products with your Black Friday deals that you found. The great thing is that a lot of these affiliate networks, like Matrix that I shared with you earlier, they've actually already created listicles for Black Friday. So if you click on this here, you can go and grab an affiliate link specifically for a listicle style landing page like this one here. This is obviously the one that I found from Matrix, and it's got loads of Black Friday deals on there. And because it's got your affiliate link at the top, if they click on any of these products during this list and purchase by clicking on it and going through to the sales page, the Black Friday sales page, you earn commissions. So it's like $40 or $50 per product that they buy. Someone might buy more than one product on that list. They might just buy one of them. But the thing is, what you're doing is you're jumping on this trend and you're creating a listicle which people are expecting to see around this time of year when they're looking for deals, and you're giving them an opportunity to buy. And the really great thing is that you've not had to create any of these sales pages, any of these landing pages. You've not had to source any of the products. It's all done for you. All you literally have to do is grab an affiliate link for this listicle. But there's also different ones. There's a Christmas one as well. So say you missed the boat with Black Friday and you're not quite there. They actually have incredible gadgets everyone's talking about, and they have a Christmas sale as well, which you can do for Christmas time. It's basically the same thing but with a Christmas theme. So you can do this yourself and actually create them yourself, or you can just grab the link from these affiliate networks. So I'll just show you really quickly how you can actually get this campaign up and running now, today, straight away. So I use volume tracking software, which I'll leave a link to in the description, which you will need to track your sales and things like that. Inside the tracking software, they've actually got a place where you can buy traffic. So it's really easy, and buy these native ads. So you can top up your balance with your $500 that I mentioned. Obviously, your money's at risk. There's no guarantee that this is going to work and you're going to make sales. But I'm just showing you a proven way, which is working for me, and it has worked for other people as well. I just want to make that clear. But you come to new DSP campaign inside your volume tracking software. You click on native, and then you can choose one of these affiliate networks here. I'm not going to go into detail about how you find these. I've spoken about this in a previous video. You can check out that video if you want, which I'll leave a link to around this video if you want to jump and have a look at that, where I actually set up a campaign and show you how to find the best affiliate networks and things like that. But for this example, we're just going to choose Outbrain, which is one of the main affiliate networks. And then you just want to name it here, so it'll just be Black Friday listicle. That's obviously spelled wrong. And then here you want to paste in your destination URL. Now this is the quickest and easiest way to get going. Obviously I would recommend creating your own landing pages and split testing and things like that, but if you want to get going straight away and you want to jump on this Black Friday hype, this is the quickest and easiest way to get going. So what you want to do is come back to your affiliate tracking software, get your unique affiliate link for that listicle, which is going to be tracked to you. Then you want to come back to volume and you can just paste it in here into destination URL. And then we just leave all that blank. This is hyperstech.com. Put the brand domain in there. Click on next, and then you can choose the countries. So if you want to keep the cost down, you might want to choose not a tier 1 country, maybe a different language. But if you want to go for the highest volume, obviously USA, Canada, the UK, places like that is great. And then you can choose whether you want to run it on desktop or mobile. Click on next. You can choose your budget here, which you're prepared to bid per 1,000 impressions, per 1,000 people that see your advert. And it's saying that I need to do 32 cents per 1,000 impressions, which is fine. And then we can click next and click on new creatives. So the great thing about native ads is that you don't really have to overthink how to create your adverts, because there's so little space for you to actually to write anything or add anything. So all you need to think about is an image, an eye-catching image, and also a short headline, which kind of fits in with kind of news articles and things like that. Works quite well. So if you're going to do a post about Black Friday, you kind of want to make it look almost like it's someone's doing like a news report about the top Black Friday deals. So I would do something along the lines of this. Use images like this, which I just found a little bit earlier. These aren't big enough, but as you can see here, like sales and things, maybe it doesn't work so well because we're not going to be on the high street this year. but people with Black Friday deals behind them and stuff like that, 70% off, and people with loads of products that looks really cheap, and like people are grabbing loads of bargains, and then the headline could be like, top Black Friday deals you can get now. Something like that. Top Black Friday deals you can get now. Obviously, you would work on this and you can add more headlines, and then that will lead through to your advertorial talking about the top Black Friday products. And then you can add the description in here, your little brand name, which would be the name of your website. So it could just be like trending products or something like that, a little icon, and then click next. And then you're going to be running those adverts to that on massive news websites at a time when people are starting to think about getting Black Friday deals. So you're literally jumping on a trend before it's actually taking off. And hopefully you'll make some sales from that and some commissions, and you don't have to do anything. You can just sit back and that's it. Hopefully you'll make a load of money for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Until next time, cheers guys.